So guys, first come to this website gigabyte.com. You can see here this official website. Then here right hand side you can see here search button. You just type your model number Gigabyte Z890 AERO D. Okay, then hit enter. Then guys click to product and this one. Actually there are two type of D and G, so you can install any because installations process same. You can follow this for D and install G, so it's okay. Go to this tab, then this is your motherboard. Click to support. Then select your operating system, which is using Windows 10 and 11. If you have Windows 10, and you can see in installation is Windows 11, so no worry, you can, because same installations process. Okay, audio driver, you can see here Realtek HD audio driver, and then click to download. After a few minutes you can see here start downloading. It will complete almost 1 minute. Then guys just single click to file, and this is exe. You can see this is setup, driver setup. Wait few seconds. After that it's come to administrators for the installations. Yeah, now you can see, so click to yes. Now this is extract to data to your system for the installations. So first extract, after then is ready to install. So this is installing in the background. Okay, so do not close and do not do anything. Okay, just wait it. When it is completed, so automatically this window is closed, means this is installed. Then it is done, then close it.